friend Schaefer from AIReal Yoga. The following is a video for reference only. Please make sure to follow all safety instructions. If you have any questions, do not guess. Safety is of our utmost priority. Please contact us at info@airialyoga.com. Do not wait. Elevate, alleviate, exhilarate. We want to make sure that when connecting the pole into the top part of the rig, that the holes are lined up. As you can see here, these are not. When you can see all the way through to the other side, it should be ready for the screw. Once you place that in, you should be able to wiggle and adjust as you see fit. When setting up the AIReal Yoga rigs, we need to make sure that the screws are secure. So make sure that you place it. Sometimes it can be a little tricky when you are adjusting it to make sure that the holes align correctly. We want to make sure that the screw goes all the way in and make sure that it just tightens maybe right where you feel a little bit of resistance, but we don't want to go too far because it'll be difficult to take out.